Hey, I'm Rokas Aleliunas, freelance illustrator from Vilnius, Lithuania. Casual Polar Bear is my creative alias, which I use to create everything that comes to my mind. I would describe my style minimalistic, suggestive, and really colorful. I take a lot of inspiration from daily life, and I like to put emotions into my work. Sometimes stories, and sometimes jokes. I'm just really having fun with what I do. But I also like looking at the works like Caravaggio, Picasso, and Matisse. I also really love reading biblical and mythological stories, and I love twisting them and interpreting it in my work. I have a really special thing. I have like this sketchbook. So this is when I started doing my everyday a poster challenge. First it was like just sketching and doing, and then I turned into digital media. This sketchbook is a reminder of my humble beginnings. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a radial gradient. Select the shape on which you want to apply the effect. Then select gradient. Press at the glider slider one of the points. Then choose the color you want to use. Do the same thing for the other point. For the second point, choose opacity 0 and select radial gradient. Now just drag and adjust how much color do you want on your gradient.